everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Subi, a makeup artist here. I'm a professional makeup artist and also a expert makeup coach. Okay, today we are on the 5th day of our 21 days challenge. Okay, this is going to be very exciting, guys, because I'm really excited to share my knowledge with you guys. I'm really feeling proud that I'm sharing you the knowledge to you guys so that you guys can become independent and rule the world. Okay, to start with today's class, it is our 5th day. If you are new to my channel, you can watch all the previous video because this course is a certification course where you will be given a certificate also. You can watch all the videos before videos. All the links I'll just mention it below so that you can watch all the videos. Okay, in last class we spoke about how exactly the practically, if we use the orange corrector, how it hides our pigmentation and all. Okay, in the similar way, if we have a pigmentation in color, in the color red color, like you have got a pimple and after some time that pimple have become in the red color, it has turned to red color, then you can use the green corrector which I showed you in the last class. Okay, that was the color theory knowledge, that why one color cuts the another color, everything we just went in depth theory. Then we understood that what is the difference between the medium color orange and also the dark color orange. Okay, that we finished. Now let us come to the undertones. Now we completed moisturizing step, primer step and also color correction. That was our third step. Okay, now fourth step, after doing color correction, the base comes, the face makeup base comes, the foundation base. Okay, to do this foundation base, what you need is you need to know the undertones. What is this undertones? You may have heard about that. Why you feel that, oh, I'm just choosing this foundation, why is it not matching my color, or why am I not able to pick the right color and all. You may have all this confusion. To get the clarity on all the confusions, you need to understand your undertones first, that what are the undertones and all. If you understand the undertones, you may create an amazing result in your makeup. Okay, to start with the undertones knowledge, let me tell you that if you see the skin from here, if you see the skin from front, it can be divided into dark, medium and also fair. Many people are in dark color, many are in medium and many are in fair color if you see the upside. But you can't see the inside tone. Inside the skin we have one more layer color called undertones. You have to match the foundation to that color also. If you don't match the foundation to your undertone also, it may create a problem in your makeup. Okay, that are called the undertones. According to the climate, your skin color may change. If you're going out in somewhere in the hot in the areas where there is more of heat, and if you're going in the areas where the climate is not suiting you, your skin color, your skin tone, not undertone, your skin tone may change according to the climate. It may change, it may sometimes become lighter, it may sometimes become darker, it may sometimes become medium color, it may become, but your undertone, but your inside color of the skin, it will not change anytime. It will not at all change anytime. You can't change that undertone color also. So okay, to start with today's undertone lesson, you have to understand that this is the main important thing. Okay, how to know what is your undertone. Now let me give you an example, guys. If you are wearing color theory, it plays a very important role in your, not only in your makeup, it plays a very important role in your dressing sense also, in the colors also. Sometimes if you're wearing some particular colors, it may suit you very well. The people may compliment that, oh, today you're looking so fresh, today you're looking so amazing, today there is something, another type of glow on your face. You may get this compliments. Okay, sometimes same when you are wearing some another color, you may get the compliments as, why today you are looking so dull, why is it your face is looking too dull and all. It is because of your undertones. According to your undertones, if you learn how to match the colors, you can create amazing results in makeup also, in a dressing sense also. Okay, it plays a very important role. So to start with the undertones, there are the three categories in undertones. First is warm color, warm undertone, and second is cool, and third is neutral. Okay, these are the three categories: warm, cool, and again it comes the neutral color. Okay, then what is this warm color? In this warm color, you will see that under your skin there is a reflection of color which is in yellow color. Mostly in India, mostly in Indian skin tones, there is a color called like warm undertone is like mostly found in for like you will see mostly people are of like warm undertones only. Okay, the like if you see how to just understand the undertone, I'll let you know that those two steps also. Now just understand that the color which is like the undertone, if you see from the skin, and if the under color is like yellow, then that is like that color is like warm undertone, you come under the warm undertone. Okay, in cool undertone what happens is you will see a peach color, you will see a pinkish color, you will see a peach color inside your skin color. You have seen a very fair people, very fair people, not in India. If you see fair people, you will mostly find the undertone as yellow color only. Mostly when you see the outside people like the Kashmiri people or like some fair people, you may see this pinkish color, pinkness inside their skin and a peachness inside their skin. Those skins are called cool undertone, and the neutral undertone will be like it will be in between the yellow and the pink also. It will be seen as a yellow also, it will be seen as a pinkish and a peach color also. Those colors are called the neutral undertones. Now you have understood that what are the three undertones. Now how to know that what undertone you have. The first step to know what undertone you have, what you should do is you should check your veins here. Go in the front of the window where there is a lot of light, then go just keep your hand and see the veins. If your veins are in the green color, if the veins are in the green color, then you are warm undertone person. If your veins are in the blue color, then you are a cool undertone person. If your veins are in between green and also blue color, then your undertone are in the neutral color. This is a very easy step, guys. This is a very easy and very wonderful step how to know the skin undertone, what is your skin undertone. Okay, let us go to the second step, that how to know. It is a very practical step, it is a very good step how to know your undertones. I'll take you to the next step. Let us see what is the next step, how you can understand the undertone very okay easy. Guys, now the third step is very easy step. You take one paper which is in like plain color, which is in white color, totally it should be in a white color. Okay, you should take a paper like that and you should stand in the front of the mirror. Then you should place that paper see side to your face, because if you have like a lot of pigmentation on your face, so sometimes you may not be able to see that what is your undertone color. So take a white paper and place it right to your like face and see what color you can see. You can see the yellow color is like more, you can see this yellowness, you can see this yellowness color in. So my undertone is like again yellow color, it is a warm undertone. If you are like in the cool undertone, if you place like this, you may see the peach color and a pinkish shade in your skin. You should always match this one in your face or in the neck or in the body area. You can take your whole body area or in the neck area and you can match and see. Then you will be able to understand that what color undertone is yours. If it is pinkish, you may be able to see the pinkish color more when compared to white color. When white color is kept, you may be able to see like very easily. Okay, this is the second step to understand. This is the second step, very easy step to understand what is your undertone color. Okay, let us go for the third easy step. Third easy step is if you see the people who is wearing gold jewelry. Why mostly like the people who are in India, why they wear the gold jewelry on their wedding day? Because according to the color theory, gold jewelry looks very nice on warm undertone colors. Okay, if you see the silver jewelry, if you wear and see the gold jewelry, if that is suiting you more, then you may be warm undertone. If you're wearing silver jewelry which is suiting you more than the gold color, then you may be under the cool undertone. You have seen the the people like who are very fair and all, more than the gold jewelry, silver color jewelry looks very good on them. Why it looks good on them? Because they are in the cool undertone. So this is very important step to understand what is your undertone. You let me know in the comments that what is your undertone, so that I can understand that you have understood all the steps. Okay, this was for today. In the next class we will learn that how to match the exact foundation shade for our face, how to match the foundation the foundation shade by mixing and matching, how to create the exact color of your skin color, and how to add the undertone for that, and how to like make the foundation. Okay, the foundations, when you're buying online, you will be able to see that on that only. If you go and just go through once today, that if you just open like Huda Beauty foundations or whatever the brand foundations, you will be able to see down written as yellow undertone, I mean the warm undertone, cool undertone, and mixture of the undertones and all. Sometimes in India you may find, like you may mostly find yellow color undertone. Sometimes it will be like some little bit of peach and little bit of yellow also. So you have to like mix and match in such a way that you will get a, like in India whatever foundations you get, in that only you will get each and everything. If you buy like little bit darker, in that yellow and a little bit of peach color will be more, and if you buy lighter, so the colors already, the undertone colors they have like added in the foundations. If you mix and match the foundation, what color exactly you will get, and how to choose the foundation according to your skin type, like what is HD foundation, what are the foundations which are in the, what you say, the water based foundation, which gives you a very, I mean after sometimes, which just spoils your makeup, which makes your makeup very creamy, very cakey and all. What is the exactly difference between HD foundations and a normal foundations, everything I'll be like giving you detail, each and every detail in the next video. Till that, get a knowledge on this, make notes and write a lot of notes till you understand. You ask the questions, write it down, all the questions you can ask me when we meet on each and every Sunday at 7 p.m. on Instagram Makeup Stories by Subia. You can ask any question to me, I'll answer all the questions of that. Okay, till that you just recognize that what is your undertone, and let me know in comments that what is your undertone. We'll meet again in our next this one video. Till that, if you are new to my channel, if you want to learn anything in Hindi, you can go to the Hindi, this one also, the Hindi videos also which is getting uploaded. If you're new, then you can watch my other videos also, before videos, which the playlist link I'll mention that below. Okay, till that, stay home, stay safe, and also be happy, keeps other also happy, and also try to add some value in others life, so that even you can feel proud of yourselves. Okay, take care, bye bye.